Hey there. This is the little phone camera arm thing that normally holds this phone right here. And I'm going to show you how I replaced it. Now, before I do that, why did I replace it? Mainly because of this thing right here. To lower the arm, normally I have to unscrew this a little bit, then adjust this, then retighten it, which is a royal pain sometimes. So what we've got right now is something I can just do this with. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. And yeah, if you're wondering, this thing right here is not standard equipment for a camera arm. This upper piece of arm right here was a little too short, so I needed something to extend it with. And this thing kind of did the job. This is actually some kind of motion sensing mount for the phone. But anyways, back to the video. Picked this up at the thrift store for a couple of bucks. This is a sort of heavy-duty microphone stand. Pretty solid. So first order of business, let's remove this old shock mount and we'll get this thing cleaned up. Okay, had to use the bench vise, penetrating oil, and some vice grips to get this off. But that's done. Okay, just gonna get the dirt off for now. Gonna get the rust and all this old tape off afterwards. The parts that we have are this guy right here. This is just a phone holder. This one is not spring loaded. It uses this little screw here. I've chosen this intentionally because I've noticed the ones with the spring clamps, sometimes they tend to damage the phones a little bit. This way I have control over how much tension's on the phone. And next up we have this pack of connectors here. This back piece will connect to the stand, and the little screw will connect to this. Not pretty, but it'll do for testing purposes. This right here just slots right in and doesn't seem to be tipping over. So what we have right now is this thing right here. And here we're going to connect this piece. Then this. So this is what the end looks like now. And let's try to put this phone on it. And it's not tipping over. It's a good sign. Even with me pushing on it, seems okay. So I'm going to move this camera right here onto this rig, and let's see what it looks like. Which brings us back here. And the new camera arm is working pretty good. A lot easier to maneuver this around now. And yeah, just in case you're wondering, these were 10 bucks each, and the actual arm itself was like $2, so not too bad a deal for what I got in the end. And as for this guy right here, what I'm actually thinking now is to, well, I'll make a better block of wood for the base, but I could potentially use this for portable filming in the garage. But that's a video for another day. Anyways, take care everyone. See ya.